Hi guys, King of Herbs here. Today let's speak about lifestyle diseases prevention. The very first step when it comes to lifestyle diseases prevention is to know your genetic makeup. Why would you do that? So as to know your genetic heredity. This is very important so as to enable you to avoid the risk factors that may trigger lifestyle disease that is in your genetic makeup. Why is this necessary? Because lifestyle diseases are the last class of diseases that you may wish to come across. They literally decimate all facets of your life. Here's a simple exercise to determine your genetic makeup. Have a table like this. In this table, draw 5 columns. In the first column, you have disease. In the second column, you have mother. The third column, you have father. The fourth column, you have grandparents. And the fifth column, you have siblings. In the diseases column, list all the lifestyle diseases that you have come across or that you may be aware of. For example, in this table here, we have high blood pressure, diabetes, we have cancer, we have cardiopathy, and we have obesity. If any of your relatives, let's say for example, one of your grandparents had cardiopathy and also one of your siblings has cardiopathy, therefore cardiopathy becomes a risk lifestyle disease in your genetic makeup. Once you realize that cardiopathy is a risk lifestyle disease in your genetic makeup, you may therefore need to avoid the risk factors that may bring about the lifestyle disease, and this may include changing your diet and also including regular exercise in your lifestyle. Knowing your genetic makeup is the very first step in preventing lifestyle diseases. That is it from the King of Herbs. As usual, rooting for health. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share, or even follow in whatever platform you're watching this video in. As usual, rooting for health.